friends, welcome back to my channel Hairstyle by Simran. So first of all, wish you all a very happy new year. So as you have seen from the title, today's video is about the unboxing and review of Fab Bag. It's the first edition of the year, January 2022. So let's see what all products we have received. So as you can see, we have received all the products in this bag. So it's a really cute bag, leather bag, and I really love this bag because it's travel friendly and you can carry your daily essentials in this bag. So it comes with a chain and it's really spacious. So I like this bag. So let's see what we have received. So first of all, we have received 2 cards inside the bag as we receive it every month. So this month's theme for Fab Bag is the Beauty Resolution January Fab Bag, and it has a list of all the products which we have received. So total 4 products we have received in this month's bag. So and we have received the second card which is in my Fab Bag contest. So in case you want to participate in the Fab Bag contest, you can go to the Insta account and you can participate in the contest. So let's see what all products we have received. So the first product which we have received is Sugar X Wonder Woman 24-hour lip lacquer, and I have received in the shade 6 Spunk Wise. So there was an option to choose the shade for this star product. So I have selected 06 Spunk Wise. So it's a brown color lipstick. So I already have lot of pink and red shades. So that's why I have chosen this shade. So you can see the packaging of the lipstick. It's really cute. And it's a frosty kind of bottle, and the shade number is mentioned below. So let's see how it is. So yeah, it comes in this kind of bottle, and you can see the shade. It's a very nice brown color shade, and the lipstick is really creamy, and the color payoff is very nice. So as you all know, Sugar is one brand which you can anytime select. So yeah, a very nice product. So let's see what's the next product. So the next product which we have received is Natural Fusions Neem and Burruti Style Pole. So it says medium to firm humidity resistance pole. It has no sulfate, parabens, mineral oil, gluten. So yeah, really nice product. So that at the back of the bottle, it has a list of all the ingredients mentioned over here and how to use it. So yeah, I would definitely try this product because I have really frizzy hair, and you can apply this on your hair after applying the conditioner. So you can apply it on wet or dry hair as well. So yeah, this is the second product, and the price of this product is 780 rupees. So the next product which we have received is Baiser India's Nourishing Lip Oil. So yeah, it's a savior in winters. As you know, winters are going on, and it dries up the lips. So it comes in this kind of packaging, really cute glass bottle packaging, and it has a roller as well on the top. So this is the product, how it is. Apply this on your lips before applying lipstick so that it doesn't dry away your lips in winter. So yeah, a great product to try on. So the next product and the last one which we have received is from Coco Soul Hair and Scalp Cleanser. So it is 100% organic, and it contains virgin king coconut oil, Kiki Krindia and Godabra. So yeah, Coco Soul is one brand which everyone would definitely like to try it. It's a good brand. So this is a sample size product, and it comes in a very cute bottle, and travel friendly. So in case you want to travel and you don't want to carry big cleanser bottles, you can carry this one. So really nice product. So yeah, this month's products, we have received total 4 products, and I have selected 3-month subscription for this month's Fab Bag. So I got my Fab Bag at just rupees 533, and the total price of all these products, if you calculate, so it comes to more than 2000 rupees. So yeah, really a great deal. So guys, I have also made a video on the Fab Bag unboxing and review for the month of November and December. So if you guys have missed it, you can go to the link in the description box and definitely watch my previous videos. And I would say this month's Fab Bag is a must go. So yeah guys, if you want to buy, I'll mention the link of the Fab Bag January 2022 in the descriptions. You can go to the link and buy your Fab Bag. So a great deal. If you guys have liked my video, then do give a thumbs up, comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.